Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado this generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find guys where the trailer fuses are located, that includes trailer lights, turn signals, stop lights, tail lights, parking lights, and trailer brake control modules. They will explain which fuses you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So guys, where you can expect to find trailer fuses on that generation Chevy Silverado, we'll demonstrate today. Now by the way, you guys have many hidden fuse boxes all over this truck that most people don't know about, so we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. What you guys need to do, open the hood, and once you open the hood, here on the driver's side you have a fuse box under that cover. Open it guys, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 through 16 model, and layout like that for 2017 through 2019 model. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So the trailer fuses, where you can find them guys, please make sure you stand till the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. First we'll demonstrate on 2014 through 16. If we zoom in, you see that fuse right here, it's known as fuse number 1. That's the fuse that you need to check. After that guys, okay, you will need to check 4 more fuses. We're talking about fuse number 14, fuse number 15, fuse number 16, fuse number 17 fuses. All these fuses guys will need to be checked for the trailers. And if you guys have 2017 through 19, we're going to zoom in. You will need to check fuse number 1. Again, fuse number 14, 15, 16 and 17. The location will be exactly the same for all the years guys. Those are the ones that you need to check. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.